Hey, yo, what's up, good family? This is your guy, Tanna, so lit, the bad boy of tech. And this unboxing right here, I'm doing it a whole new style, you dig? I'm doing it briefcase style. Shout out to my guy, Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Yes, sir, yes, sir. A case company sent me some cases and everything. So, man, I want to go ahead and do this one with some style because I really appreciate them. So enough of me yapping, it's time to start unpacking. Let's go. All right, good people, let's see what's in the briefcase. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man. All right, all right. Got a thank you card over there. And got the Ringke Dual Easy Film. So yes, this is a Ringke case video for the Samsung Galaxy A50. So all you A50 owners, you're looking for some nice cases, check these out. But before I start showing off these cases and everything so we can see what it is, I'm about to read this card that they sent. It says, thank you so much for your support. Ringke is thrilled to collaborate with you, and I hope we will have many more opportunities in the future. I do too, Ringke. On the real, I appreciate you guys rocking with me for the last couple of years of me doing YouTube. I really appreciate you guys. The card also says, please enjoy all the goodies Ringke has sent your way, including a little gift. A gift? That's what's up. It also says, we hope you like them as much as we do. Have a great day. Hey, Ringke, you guys have a great day too. Man, let's go ahead and get with the process. Let's get it smacking. Now, the first case I'm about to unwrap, unbox or whatever is this one right here. This is the Ringke Fusion X. Man, this is one of my favorite cases of all time. And man, I'm excited to unbox this one for the Samsung Galaxy A50. Yes, sir, yes, sir. This one has a clear back with black textured sides and everything. So let's get this boy out the sack. Okay, family, with the help of my trusty unboxing knife, yes, sir, yes, sir. I call this one RoboCop. Let me go ahead and make that slice real quick. Just that easy. About to take it out the sack right now. Let's get it popping. All right, and gotta do it like this and everything. Inside the bag and everything, you got the wonderful packaging that Ringke does with the thank you card and everything. Always a very nice touch. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Then on the next page, up under the thank you card, is something that says upgrade your drive and everything. It shows a bunch of card mounts that Ringke makes and everything, just in case you want to go to ringke.com and purchase them and everything. And then up under here, as the Ringke mirror instructions how to peel this tape off right here. So let me go ahead and get this tape off and throw it on the phone so you guys can see the sauce. Now peeps, this is why I like the Ringke Fusion X so damn much. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. A very stunning case, very affordable. And if you want it, the link would definitely be in the description so you can go ahead and cop one for yourself. But look at that. The A50 that I got has that beautiful black color with the rainbow tint on it and everything. And man, it just looks amazing in this Fusion X case. Jesus Christ. And peeps, when it comes to protection and everything, let's go ahead and give a tour. Look at that camera. Deep up in there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The buttons, man, labeled and texturized and everything. The power button, perforated with the nice little slits and everything so you won't get these mixed up and everything. No doubt about it. The bottom cutouts, man, got your headphone jack right there. USB-C, noise canceling mic right there, and the speaker. So everything is cut to perfection. On the left side right here, nothing at all but a lanyard hole and everything. Just in case you got a lanyard you want to go ahead and put through there. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Then at top, you got a cutout for the other noise canceling microphone on the A50. Man, oh man, oh man. This case right here is high sorcery. High sorcery on deck. Yes, sir, yes, sir. All right, y'all, let's get to the next case. Let's roll. All right, y'all, the next case up the back is this one right here. It's also a Ringke Fusion X, but this one, as you can see, has the camo back on deck. And peeps, I'm a huge fan of camo. Man, oh man, oh man. So enough of me yapping. It's time to get unpacking. Let's go. All right, time to bring out your boy RoboCop one more time. You dig, you dig. There go the slice that's so damn nice and precise. Here we go, here we go. Pull it on out the wrapping and everything. Okay, the thank you card dropped out just like in the other case and everything. Put that to the side right there. Yes, indeed. Got the card mounts right here once again. And then here's the instructions to remove the wrapping and tape on the inside and outside of the case. So let me go ahead and get that off and put it on the A50 so you can see if it's nifty. Well, all right, people, here it is. My God, my God, my God. Look at that there. Camo on flip colored black with the rainbow tint. Absolutely dope. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. People, people, people. Man, the camouflage tint is really grabbing my heart real tough. Man, comment below and let me know if these cases are for show. Also, let me know which one that you're feeling the most, because Ringke reads all the comments and everything, and they take good notes. Man, this right here is dope. Now let's take a little tour. You know what I'm saying? Basically, the same old, same old. Deep camera cutout, nice buttons on the side, texture power button and everything. Bottom cutouts, precise. Headphone jack, USB-C port, noise canceling mic, speaker. On the top, noise canceling mic on deck. On the left side right here, lanyard hole and nothing else. But peeps, this is actually textured, so it's super dope to me. Ringke, you guys did a magnificent job in designing this case. I absolutely love it. And because I love it so much, you know what it gets? It gets the Dan Tanna stamp of approval. Put a stamp on it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, all right, everybody. That just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy and Ringke a thumbs up, because that's official. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole swag and madness of Dan Tanna and Team Lit, then do that too, because I appreciate that too. All right, everybody. Get money. Get respect. And enjoy your tech. Be easy.